Hi everyone, I promised you that I would show you an Ikea haul from last week, from last Friday, and I've been putting it off, but just because I brought everything into school and haven't yet assembled it. I still haven't assembled it, but I'm going to show you anyway. So we have one Lustigt, so that's the Wheel of Fortune. I'm very excited about it. A lot have been mentioned on Instagram about that. And then my second large purchase is the Soccer, which is a greenhouse, which I thought I could use as a bit like a wonder cube, so an investigation cube, and that's going to sit underneath or on one of the shelves next to my more religious displays. So I'm hoping that greenhouse can live under here somewhere on this shelf. So if I can clear that, this is our kind of our awe and wonder area, and at the moment this term we are looking at understanding Christianity and creation, Genesis, that kind of thing. I'm going to pan around whilst I'm here. I'm going to show you, so it's our number box, our times table rock star, just a maths working wall where I've put up Fablon so I can write straight onto it, which is great, and rub it off if needed. This I haven't used or set up yet, but this is going to be a Star of the Week thing. So I will write the children's name up when they do really well. So our protective behaviours for PSHE. We've got a science working wall going up now. So each week when we change the topic, you'll see that that will come alive. We've got topic vocabulary at this end. And then on this wall, I'm going to do the scientific inquiry vocabulary, so different from the topic vocabulary. Here we've got reading stars, so that's not quite set up yet. And then we've got the zone board at the front, and you can see across here, just so beautiful. If I take my finger away, I'll get it in focus. So that is our continuous cursive banner, or bunting rather, that I got online from Etsy. Oh yeah. Brilliant, it works.